have a breast augmentation procedure with implants, it is important to understand that will not be the only procedure that we will have for life. What does this mean? This means that we will have more procedures after our first breast augmentation procedure because we need to change the implants every certain amount of time. Why? Because we do not want that this implant ruptures inside my patient's body. That's why there are some recommendations on how much time we have to wait to change this implant. These recommendations are not done by myself, by Lina Triana. These recommendations are done by the FDA, who says that the risk of a breast implant on rupturing is around 1 to 5% on the first 10 years after the procedure is done. And the more time the patient has these implants in her body, the higher the risk of this implant to rupture. If we keep on with time and having these breast implants inside the patient body, after 15 years of these implants in the patient, the risk of implant rupture is more than 9%. And the more time it goes on, the higher the risk of this rupture. This is why we should never, as medical professionals, tell to our patient that the breast implant is for life. But some patients decide to have this breast implant and do not change them. And many times they do not rupture. But that should be a sole decision of the patient. Never because of the doctor tells her not to change them. If you have any questions, do not doubt to contact us at www.drlinatriana.com or also follow us in our social media. There you are free to ask any questions. We're willing to answer any questions you have. Our social media, find it right here